Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will teach you how to fix Java exception has occurred. You probably ran into this problem when trying to set up a Minecraft server. So to fix this, we have to go to a web browser and search for Java or go directly to their website java.com. So we look up Java right here. After going to their website, we click on Java SE Development Kit. Click on that. And then we go to their latest update, which is JDK 22. And then right over here, we click on Windows. After clicking on Windows, we download their installer. After the installer has been installed, we just double click on it and then go through the installation process. The installation process should be pretty quick since the installation is not that heavy. After the Java SE development kit has been installed, we just click on close and you should not run into Java exception has occurred problem again. That's all for the video. Remember, if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.